Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. This is Ankit Garg. I'm founder of Compatible Minds. We are a new age talent acquisition and skill enhancement company. For the last 2 years, we have associated with companies from different background like education tech, finance tech, BFSI, insurance, healthcare, and IT services sector, and have catered to their talent requirements. We are also running our education program, online education programs like on strategies to get your dream job. And one of our program, which is our flagship program as well, is HR Generalist Certification Program. A new batch for this program is going to start from 1st of May 2020. So guys, in this video session, I'm going to take you through the structure of our HR Generalist Certification Program, which will give you clarity on this. Okay, so guys, this will contain 3 modules. First module is talent acquisition, as you can see on your screens. Under this module, we will cover talent acquisition and its core elements. And then we will go into the recruitment, get to know the difference between what is the difference between talent acquisition and recruitment, and what are the different processes of recruitment, like what are the modern strategies used by companies. Is it inbound hiring? Is it outbound hiring? Okay, and what are the different sourcing platforms which you can use as an HR of the company. Okay, we will also teach you on the LinkedIn strategies to reach out to the candidates. And the most important is like we will give you a training on job portals like Naukri. Okay guys, so it will be a practical training and you will get to know how to find a candidate, how to use keywords, optimized keywords, and like for different requirements, like it can be the tech requirement, it can be non-tech requirement. What are those keywords which you should look for? Okay, and we will give you an idea on application tracking system used by the companies. And so if you find out the candidates, then you have to speak with them. How do you align an interview of the candidate, and what is the script which you should follow? Okay, you can go to any company, but there is a certain script which you should follow while speaking with the candidates. And then we will give you an idea on competency based interviews. What is a competency or behavioral interview, and how can you ask questions to the candidates? Okay, and then I will also explain the what is the methodology which is followed by the recruitment consultants. Okay, so guys, this will be the module 1, in which we will mostly cover about the talent acquisition, recruitment, training on the job portals, LinkedIn strategies, and everything. Okay, so guys, in second module we will cover up like core HR practices and strategic HRM. Core HR practices includes like the documentation part, which is pre-joining and post-joining documentation, employee onboarding and induction. How do you maintain the records of the employee, and how do you engage with employees and cater to their grievances? Okay, so and like what sort of letters you have to draft, like it can be an offer letter, appointment letter, increment letter, relieving letter, no due certificate. So you should, as an HR of the company, you should have knowledge of all these things. Okay, uh, what is to be done in full and final settlement? Nowadays HR analytics is coming up. So as a beginner level HR, you should know what is HR analytics, what are its basics and core elements. Okay, and what is an HRBP role? It's a human resource business partner role. How is it different from just a normal HR role? So we will give you an idea on this as well. So other than this, we will cover up the HR policy section, like what are the different HR policies to be implemented in a company. Okay, training and development, like how do you manage training and development of the new employees or of the existing employees? And the most important is performance management system. If a person is working in your company, how do you evaluate their performance, which is a criteria to give them some awards and recognitions to promote them. So performance management system is an important part of module 2. So guys, this will be the module 2, which we will cover, in which we will cover like core HR practices and strategic HR. And the last but not the least, module 3 is payroll and statutory compliances, in which we will give you the comprehensive understanding of all the salary components, like gross salary, net salary, enhanced salary, taxable salary, CTC, medical allowances, leave travel allowance, DA and HRA. Okay, and what are the different sort of leave and like different types of leaves to be given in a company? Okay, and under the statutory compliances, topics like PF, what are the rules regarding PF, PT, ESI, gratuity, income tax, TDS, all these things will be covered. And we will also give you an understanding on labor laws. Okay, guys, so these will be the three modules. First module is recruitment and talent acquisition. Second is core HR practices and strategic HRM. And third will be payroll and statutory compliances. Other than this, guys, there will be like 15 days practical training on talent acquisition where we will give you live projects to work on, where you will be speaking with the candidates. You will be given a script, you will be given a certain company, and it will give you a very good idea of the recruitment practices followed by the companies. Okay, and a very important thing, guys, I have another program which is Career Booster program, and this program is included in HR Generalist program. In this program, guys, I give the idea how to crack an interview. Basically, how can you land up in your dream job. So we will start from the very beginning, which is the application submission process, where you have to build your own CV, and now you will use LinkedIn like as a guy who is looking for job. Okay, so what are the different strategies? How can you reach HR of the companies directly? Okay, we will cover the LinkedIn strategies as well. And once the application building part is over, another part is, preparing for the interview. Like you get called to, get the interview, but then you should know the strategies, you should know some answers, how to crack this interview. Okay, so we will prepare you for those interview questions. Okay, I will personally take a mock interview of yourself. And also, guys, you should be aware of salary negotiation strategies. If you are aware of salary negotiation strategies, I'm sure you can certainly land up in a job which can give you higher pay, which you are expecting from yourself, but everybody around you is saying like you cannot get more than 10, 15, 20% of increment. But applying such strategies, you can get the job, you can get the salary which you really want. Okay, other than this, in Career Booster program, we have, I will give you access to the aptitude videos, because some of the companies generally ask for aptitude questions. There is a round where you have to clear this aptitude test. Okay, so we will give you access to aptitude videos where you can, learn these methods, how to crack the aptitude. Okay, and other than this, one more thing, it's visualization technique, which is a very powerful technique to achieve your dreams. I will tell you in a session what is this technique about and how can you implement it in your life. So guys, this is the complete session. Other than this, an important thing is we will give you an extensive placement assistance from our end. All the candidates who are enrolled with us, we really want them to get placed as an HR. Okay, so we will give you extensive placement assistance. We will try best from our end to get you placed in some good company. Okay, and like for the lifetime, like whenever a right opportunity comes to us, we will share it with you. Okay, so you can rely on us for your placements. So guys, this is the complete HR Generalist certification program. I'm telling you, this will really boost your career. This will really upgrade your skill, and you can land up into the career and the job which you have really wanted from yourself. Okay, guys, to know more about this course, you can visit our website as well, compatibleminds.com. Go to the program section. You get to know more details about the pricing, guys. We have kept this program at 20,000 plus GST. Okay, but we are starting it from 1st of May. So if any of the candidate who is interested and enroll with us in this week itself, we can give you in 17,000 plus GST, which makes 20,060. Okay, and interesting thing is you can pay it in 3 different installments if you want. If you want to pay it in 2 different installments, you can do that as well. Okay, so I think this price is nothing if you really want to build your career, if you really land up in a company which has been your dream. So that's it for this video. If you want to know more details, you can also connect with me at ankit.garg@compatibleminds.com. And my phone number is 70279628853. I repeat it, 70279628853. So if you have any details, anything you want to know, connect with me. I will be very happy to assist you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for being connected with me. Thanks.